You good? All right, here we go. Pilot's goggles down, thumbs up. Arm your quads. Live on the tone, lesson 5. Engineer, your top qualifier. Oh no. I don't know what happened there. He was at a 90 at the ground, and then he is on the ground. Holy. Drama llama. Your top qualifier getting taken out. Might have been a desync over on the far side. I'm not sure. Might need to get on that high draft. I'm sure there's a lot of points that just got destroyed right there. This is process of elimination. Engineer was the highest seed, our second highest seed in this heat. We just lost as well. That was Sticks and Stones. And then we lost our third highest seed, Joe Cool. He's going to pull up second unless someone else gets in the air. He's trying to get out of the gate, but I think he's going to be okay. And then we got Beater Fuse, pretty much the last one flying. Joe Cool trying his best on the left-hand side. Don't destroy the quad. You're second right now, I think, okay? I think you're okay. Everything's going to be all right tonight. Moving on in our winner's bracket. At 53 and change is opening lap. So, I think you just planted it. Fastest race of the night. Let's go retrieve our quads. We'll save up some time.